In part one of today's demonstration, we're going to focus on the management portal. The management portal is an administration tool which allows for the creation of learning paths, management of your workforce and their training, and reporting on aggregated data from Salesforce, Totara, and other NCCER applications. Let's start off with the dashboard. The dashboard is a configurable screen where each organization can choose data or actions they find most important. For the Synogen organization, we wanted to quickly be able to build out a new learning path, view the status of our learners, view the status of our learning paths, or jump back into our most recent unpublished learning path. Let's jump over to a learning path now. From this page, you'll be able to search, view, and manage all of your organization's learning paths. They are separated by published, unpublished, and archived. You could also kick off the creation of a new learning path, but before we do that, I would like to explain what a learning path is. A learning path is a custom wrapper used by an organization to build out their own Totoro program. This program will be built by selecting courses and the order that they should be completed in. Once the path is published, a Totoro program will be created that is only accessible by the current organization. Let's create a new path now. The courses that are available have been configured in Totoro by using custom fields. You will also notice that they are organized by folders based off of metadata set on the Totoro course. Once you expand a craft, you will see the courses that are able to be added to the path. Before adding a course to the path, you also have the ability to view details. Details contain the description of the course, objective of the course, and a short video summary. When you're ready to add a course to the path, you could drag and drop, click Add, or add all of the courses from a craft at one time. When the courses are in the path, you have the ability to reorder the course or remove a course completely. The final screen in the creation process requires you to put in a title, an optional description, and indicate whether this is a credentialed path or not. A credential is a way to visually represent and recognize the completion of your learning path. Once you publish your credentialed path, Salesforce and NCCR credential engine will be notified. At this point, you have created your own Totoro program. I'm going to cancel this now and go back to the other paths. Let's bounce back to the published paths and view the details of the mobile training solution. From the detail screen, you can see the learners that have been enrolled, their status in the learning path, and their status in each course. From here, you can also enroll a new learner. If the learner you're looking for doesn't exist in your organization, you have the ability to invite them now. We will talk more about the invite process and people management. The people management screen gives you a breakdown of your organization. You will see learners, admin, and evaluators. The application works off of a user license structure. When you invite new learners into the organization, they will occupy a seat. The seat information is integrated into Salesforce, and when an organization is out of seats, they must purchase more. If we look into a user's detail, you will see basic demographic information integrated from Salesforce, enrollment data from Totoro, and the ability to download a transcript for that learner. Let's invite a new learner now. The invite process is initiated by either an email or phone number. Once this is entered, a notification will go out to the user regarding next steps. The learner will go through a streamlined process that will add them to the NCCER organization with the specific association to the partner organization logged in. This learner will be provisioned into Identity Management, Salesforce, Totoro, and the administration portal. Once a learner has accepted the invite, they can be enrolled into your published paths. Finally, let's view the Insights tab. The Insights page is a dashboard containing data from Salesforce and Totoro. You should be able to quickly see the status of your learners, as well as your learning paths. Each widget contains a drill down into a specific report, or in some cases, an action page. This concludes part one of our demonstration.